Super Coco.
I'm going to clean my room. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. Put my clothes in the wardrobe there and pick up my socks, they're everywhere. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. Put my books on the shelves up there and put my toys in the box over there. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. When Mom sees what I will do, she'll be so proud, yes, it is true. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. Look at it now, oh just who knew? Now it's nice and has a beautiful view. I am going to sleep in my room, wearing clean PJs and perfume. Look at me now in my own bed, dreaming of adventures up ahead, dreaming of adventures up ahead. My best friend.